Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ons. So today I tried to update the Valorant in my Windows 11 laptop and the downloading process is successfully completed, but during the installation process it stuck at 55%. So I decided to pause this installation, but unfortunately it does not work and this installation is also not completed. So how to fix this issue? And here I show the 3 methods to fix this problem. So first method is just close this Valorant from your task manager. But friends, remember one thing, if you force close it, in next time if you open that Valorant, these updates are starts to downloading from the beginning. So just remind this one message. And also force close the application which is mostly using your internet. And this is method 1. So next method, just locate that React line process. And just right click on it and select go to details. And again right click on that process. And then set this priority to high. And this is method 2. And the final one is just change your DNS address to Google DNS. So by simply right click on your network icon and select network and internet settings. So here I try to access advanced network settings and click on more network adapter options. And here I using the internet connection via Wi-Fi network. So just right click on your adapter and go to properties. So here you can click to open Internet Protocol version 4. So now I try to enter the DNS address to manually. And also tick to enable this option, validate settings upon exit. And don't forget to save these changes. So once you done this, I mentioned the steps, and one more time I try to open that Valorant. But friends, now this time you can see my updates are successfully installed. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Ons, and thanks for watching.